Hello, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demo video that we're making today. Now this is to accompany one of our Etsy listings and it's for this beautiful horse skin drum just here. So obviously you can see it's got the hair left on and it's got a beautiful dappled grey coloration. It's gorgeous. Now I've shaved the hair fairly low on the drum head and that's to allow the drum head to vibrate to make it sound, but on the edges here I've left the hair longer, which actually just connects you to the animal in a deeper way, I think. If I turn the drum over, you can see I've got a silver birch handle on here and I've just wrapped it in the middle centre here for some extra grip, a bit of comfort onto the with a bit of leather on the inside there, and I've used black leather because I like the contrast of black and white. Don't ask me why, that's just the way I am. The frame is mulberry wood, which is an unusual wood. I purchased some mulberry frames recently and it's got a beautiful energy to it and it's got some beautiful marks in the grain, etc. So I quite like that. Takes me back to childhood. Here we go around the mulberry bush. And on the inside of the frame I put some information. Now my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums, which is a bit boring, but more importantly information which will be useful will be the date when the drum was birthed, and it's the 10th of May 2022 in Knighton, Powys, UK, so that's geographical location also, and that's enough to be able to go along to somewhere like astro.com, put in that information and find out all of the information that you're going to need about what was happening on the day when this drum was birthed. As for it'll ask you for the time of day as well. I can't tell you that, I'm sorry. It's going to be somewhere between 10 o'clock in the morning and 3 o'clock in the afternoon usually. That's when I sort of tend to do the drum birth things. I don't really start very early in the day and I don't work until very late either. I'm pretty manana. But here we go. I'm going to play the drum for you now. You can have a little listen to the sound. I'm going to use a firm beater and a soft beater. Both give a slightly different sound. We'll start with a soft beater. Here we go. Beautiful. And the firmer beater. Gorgeous, love it. Okay, so I hope this helps you to make a more informed decision when you come in to choose your shamanic drum. Being able to hear the drum often is really useful, and that's why I make these little videos. So I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.